380 million tons of plastic is produced every year, with more than 10 million tons dumped into our oceans annually. Research shows that the average person eats, drinks, and breathes in more than 74,000 microplastic particles every year. Microplastics pollute the environment and can represent a serious threat for biological organisms. Monitoring the presence of microplastics in human and animal habitats is quickly becoming an important research theme, and the technology to do this is still being developed. Our solution is Slyx. Slyx leverages distributed computing and machine learning to detect microplastics. Researchers can use Slyx to characterize thousands of nearly indistinguishable microplastics by using holographic images and uploading to the tool. We built this application using a Python backend with the Keras API, Figma for prototyping, a React frontend, and the distributed compute protocol library.
The project was accomplished using a holographic image analysis algorithm. Digital holographic microscopy is based on the classical holographic principle and uses scalar diffraction to create diffracted wavefront signatures of objects present under light. Here you'll see an inline DHM optical setup running the process of scalar diffraction, and includes a 635 nanometer laser and a single-mode optical fiber with a diameter of 6 micrometers and a lateral resolution of 0.5 micrometers, which essentially replaces a conventional pinhole. During the run of the program, the input hologram received from a CCD camera is sliced into various layers called slides. Each slide is then sent to different node computers using the DCP API to be processed. This makes the mammoth task of processing easier and faster. The nodes would then return a Boolean value, that is, true or false, to state whether any microplastic was found in any of the sample slides. The Boolean answer of each slide processed separately would be stored into a main memory, where the slices are reconstructed and processed using a general-purpose graphical processor unit, also known as GPGPU. It would be compared with other results, and depending on what the majority answer was, it would be decided whether the water sample contains microplastics or not. The database for microplastic images is extremely small and private. As more data is collected and labeled, the algorithm can work better and faster. Further, regressive AI algorithms can be used in the future to count the number of microplastics present in a sample of water of a certain size, and even identify the type.
In terms of scalability, the applications of this technology include environmental research, auditing for food and drink manufacturers, or even collecting microplastics for reusing. Currently, there are little to no large-scale solutions for recycling microplastics due to the size of them, but with the ability to classify microplastics using Slyx, it is possible to collect and repurpose them, for example with 3D printing or any other potential innovations that could come in the future. Here's a prototype demonstration of the Slyx UI. Thank you for watching this video.